This is Miss Adam. Hello, this is Miss Adam. She's 191 here, and I'm with Macro Shark 1001. And
move back.
yeah, we'll.
I can't. It's not lighting.
Can I please try? Yeah.
She's not even turning it on. Do you want my lighter?
Yeah, give me your lighter. I'll try.
No.
Jesus, it's so freaking tight in there too.
Yeah.
Here, come on, please.
I hear those barbecue lighters the best.
Yeah, if they've got lots of gas in them, which they haven't at the moment.
Nah.
Keeps on blowing out. It doesn't want to light. Why doesn't it want
Let's
to
do
light?
it in the garage when we come out here.
No.
The garage will be blown up.
Oh my gosh, John. Here. Ow!
Guys are so good at using lighters.
Shush.
This is my good lighter.
That's your good lighter. You guys have never smoked, that's why.
Okay. Damn it!
Oh my god.
Oh!
Get out of here. Adam, get out of there. Can't wait on that.
Yes. Whoa! Jeez! That was awesome.
I take it the bucket's no good after this, man.
Oh no! Oh.
We got fire damage here. Do not try this at home.
Yeah, do not try this at home.
Parental guidance.
Oh.
What's got in your hair?
Nothing.
Silly string.
Oh.
Adam was doing.
Look at that!
Look at that.
Oh.
That's hardcore damage there. That's like
See you next time, guys.
Man.